How to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. So you might be in the position where you try to log into your WhatsApp account, but you land in this interface where it says that this account cannot use WhatsApp. It means that your account has been banned from using WhatsApp. The reason might be that you have done some activities that is against the community guidelines of WhatsApp. But if you haven't done any activities that is against the terms and conditions of the WhatsApp, in that case, let's see how you can recover your account. In most of the cases, this problem is easily fixed by uninstalling the application and reinstalling it again. If this doesn't fix your problem, then in the next step what you can actually try doing is contact WhatsApp support. How you can do is, first of all, head over to any web browser. In the search bar, search for whatsapp.com. It will land you on this page. Scroll down to the bottom and there you'll get to see the option of Contact Us. Tap on it. Right here inside WhatsApp Messenger Support, tap on Contact Us. Scroll down and right here you will fill up some of your information. First of all, enter your phone number and then your email address. Once you are done, you need to select the device that you use. And then here you need to write the problem that you have been facing on WhatsApp. If you don't know what to write, you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have just written. Once you are done, you need to send this to your WhatsApp support. After submitting this form, within few hours, WhatsApp support will try to contact you and they will try to fix the problem as soon as possible. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix your account has been banned from using WhatsApp due to spam. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.